Good morning, students. This is K. Praveen Kumar, Mathematics Faculty, Kakatiya Public School, Nizamabad. Today, my topic is surface area and values. Chapter number 14, 8th class standard. Okay. So, in this chapter, mainly target is cuboid for total surface area and lateral surface area, and we have to calculate value also. So, before entering this chapter, we discuss about what is two-dimensional figures and what is 3D figures. For example, this is triangle. This one is square, and lastly, this one is rectangle. So, we have to observe about these three diagrams. First one, triangle. Second one, square. And lastly, rectangle. So, these are two-dimensional figures. So, how to say these are 2D figures? Here, we have to observe these figures, especially here only it have consisted two dimensions only. That is length and breadth. Okay, so if any object it consists only two dimensions, that is length and breadth, such type of a figures is called two-dimensional figures. Now we are observing some other examples. For example, this is cuboid, just like a one small box. This one is cube, just like a dice. We have to observe these two figures. So, it consists of three dimensions, that is, it consists of three dimensions. So, that is length, breadth, lastly height, or also called as depth. Okay, so we have to observe these two diagrams. So first one is cuboid, Second one is cube. So it consists of three dimensions, that is length, breadth, height or depth. So here we have to observe three dimensions. So such type of a figures is called three-dimensional figures. So what is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional means? Here consists of only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. So it is consist of three dimensions, that is length, breadth, including height or depth. So such type of a figures is called three-dimensional figures. Okay, for example, let us take this is a one small box. Okay, suppose this is a one toothpaste box. So this is a two-dimensional or three-dimensional. How to say? This box is a 2D figure or 3D figure. Let us think about this one is 2D or 3D. For example, what is three-dimensional means? The box consists of how many dimensions? We have to check. So first one is length. First dimension is completed. Second one is breadth. Second dimension is also completed. Third one is height. Okay, so this toothpaste consists of three dimensions, that is length, breadth as well as height or depth. So that this toothpaste is called a three-dimensional figure. Okay, so let us talk about some important topic. So our syllabus is also having, so here one more important point is there. So what is total surface area and what is lateral surface area and what is volume of a cuboid. So for example, let us take cuboid. So cuboid is a 3D figure. Isn't it? How to say? Cuboid is a 3D figure. We know cuboid having how many measurements or how many dimensions? It having three dimensions, that is length, breadth as well as height. So that cuboid is called as a three-dimensional figure. Okay. So for example, this is a cuboid. Okay, this cuboid is consists of three dimensions, length, breadth and height. So now let us discuss about what is the total surface area, what is lateral surface area and what is volume of a cuboid. Okay, first one is total surface area. Total surface area. Secondly, lateral surface area and value of cuboid. Okay, this is the important topic. So total surface area, lateral surface area and volume of a cube. So how to say what is total surface area and what is lateral surface area and what is a value? For example, we have to take same, this is toothpaste box, this is three-dimensional figure. So what is total surface area? This one. So total surface area, we have to write a short form. Total means T surface, yes, area, TSA of cuboid. So total surface area of a cuboid means here we have to, in generally we are in classroom. Okay, so we have to observe this classroom means how many corners is there, how many sides is there, 4 sides is there. First one, second one, third one, last one, fourth one, and we we have to observe one more thing, that is depth means water and saline means flow. Okay, so again we are observing in this diagram, it is consisting of how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides along with top and bottom. Understood? Here we have to measure all 4 sides. Understood? 4 sides plus top and bottom. We have to calculate top and bottom. Top and bottom. So we have to calculate. For example, this is our classroom. We have to how many sides is there? 4 sides is there. First, second, third, lastly 4 sides, and top and bottom. We have to calculate top and bottom. So such type of measurements is called total surface area. In total surface area, how many measurements we have to read means 4 sides of the corners placed along with top and bottom. So second one, what is the lateral surface area? So lateral surface area, short form you have to write lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay, lateral surface area of a cuboid. This is a minor change is there. We have to compare with total surface area and lateral surface area. There is a small changes is there. What is the changes is means? Here total surface area of a cuboid is we have to 4 sides including top and bottom. Understood? 4 sides. First we have to assume this is a classroom. Here how many sides is there? 4 sides. First, second, third and 4 sides including top and bottom is called total surface area. So what is LSA means lateral surface area. So lateral surface area means we have to remove top and bottom. Understood? Here we have to observe in this cuboid box. Okay, we have to remove top means this one is we have to remove top as well as we have to remove bottom. What will happen? How many sides is there? Only it consists 4 sides. First, second, third and 4 sides. These 4 sides is called lateral surface area. For example, in our classroom, actually 4 sides and top and bottom is there. First, second, third, fourth, including top and bottom. Here, lateral surface area means we have to remove, means we have to not calculate top and bottom. Understand? We have to remove top and bottom. Remaining how many sides is there? Only 4 sides is there. Such 4 sides. Okay? Only 4 sides. We have to remove top and bottom. That is called a lateral surface area. Okay? Here, what is value means? What is value means? So, for example, this is a cuboid box. Okay? So, value means we have to multiply all 3 dimensions. We get value of the particular solid. Means cube or cuboid. For example, this is a cuboid is yes or no? This is a cuboid. So, you know what is the difference between cube and cuboid? Means cuboid, there are 3 different dimensions is there. So, length is not equal to breadth and breadth is not equal to height. Understood? So in cube means all dimensions are equal. Means length is equivalent to breadth and breadth is also equivalent to height. That is the important. Understood? For example, dice is there. That is a cube. So this one toothpaste is there. This is a cuboid. How to say cuboid? There are different dimensions is there. Length is different to breadth. Breadth is also different to height. So there are 3 different dimensions is there. In a solid object, 3 different sides means that is a cuboid. If L is equivalent to B, B is equivalent to H means there are 3 dimensions equal means such type of a figures is called cubic figures. Cube figures. Okay. So value means we have to take this toothpaste. Say this is a toothpaste. Means this is a one box. So this box indirectly this is a length is not equal to breadth and breadth is not equal to height. This one is length, this one is breadth, this one is height. Okay, here L is not equal to B and is not equal to H. So this is a cuboid. So how to find value means we have to multiply with the 3 dimensions. Okay, we have to multiply with the 3 dimensions means L into B into H. So we get value of the cuboid. Okay, this is the value of the cuboid. So what is the value means you have to multiply with length, breadth and as well as height. So we get the value. So cuboid, we have to find the formula of total surface area of a cuboid. So this is the important one. Find total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area TSA. Okay, total surface area of a cuboid. First, this is a cuboid box. Yes or no? This is a cuboid box. So this one is length, this one is breadth, this is a height. Understand? So this is top and lastly this one is bottom. Okay, so this is the cuboid box. So we have to verify geometrically proof of total surface area of a cuboid, TSA. Understood? Total surface area already we discussed. What is total surface area? We have to calculate 4 sides along with the top and bottom. So here, so I am doing. So I will cut one corner. So here 4 sides is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? So this is first one, second, third, fourth. So I am doing. So I am cut any side of this toothpaste box. Okay, so I am cutting. What will happen? This. So this is the actually open format of this cuboid. Understood? How to open format? So this is a cuboid box. So I cut any side of this corner. What will happen? So this is a open side of a cuboid. This is open. So open means we have to draw this structure. Understood? So this is the open format of cuboid. Understood? So this is the cuboid actually. So I am cut any one of the corner. So remaining the structure is equivalent to this one. Understood? Here how many sides is there? This is the first, second, third, fourth. Along with this one is top and this one is bottom. Okay? So here we have to calculate. So this is length, breadth, height. Understood? So length. What is this length here? This one is a length. So what is this one? See, observing this box. What is this one? This is a breadth. Again length. Again breadth. So again top is also length and breadth. So what is this one? This one is height. Height of this particular cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4. This corners is height. Means this is height. This one is also height. This one is also height of the toothpaste. So again top and bottom. Here this one is length and this one is breadth. Okay, this one is length means this is also length, this one is breadth. Understood? So this is the open format of this cuboid. Understood? This is, don't confuse children, this is actually cuboid. So I am doing, I will cut one of the corner. Corner means we have to open it. Okay, this is the open format and I will draw this open format box only. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 faces is there and top and bottom. Understood? So we have to calculate total surface area of a particular cuboid. So this is observe this toothpaste means length, breadth and height. Understood? So we have to observe how many. This is the shape of rectangle. This is first box. This one is first rectangle and second one and third rectangle and last one fourth. This one is fifth rectangle. This one is sixth. So here I will calculate each and everything area. Okay, how many first rectangle area, second rectangle area, third rectangle area, fourth rectangle area, and top and bottom is also rectangles. So fifth rectangle area and lastly sixth rectangle area, and we have to add it. So we get total surface area of a cuboid. So we have to area of AR means area of a first figure plus area of a second figure plus area of third figure plus area of fourth figure plus area of fifth figure means top and area of sixth figure means bottom. So we have to calculate all these 6 areas. Okay, and add it, we will get total surface area of a cuboid. So here, we have to observe this is a rectangle area or square. This is a rectangle. How to say this is a rectangle means here different values is there. First one is a length, second one is height. Okay, so in a rectangle, 2 dimensions are not equal. Means L is not equal to B. In case of square means all dimensions are equal. Understood? So this is a rectangle boxes. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay? We have to find area of a rectangle. What is area of a rectangle? L into B. Length into breadth. Okay? Or first side into second side. Already it is a 2D figure. Understood? Okay. So area of a first figure is L into B. L into H plus what is second figure of area? B into H plus third figure L into H plus fourth one B into H. Next top fifth one L into B and sixth last one bottom L into B is equal to L into H means LH plus B into H means BH plus L into H means LH plus B into H means BH plus L into B means LB plus L into B means again LB. So here we have to add LH, LH. 1 LH plus 1 LH is equal to 2 LH. 2 LH plus BH, BH. 1 BH, 1 BH means 2 BH plus LB plus LB means 1 LB plus 1 LB is equal to 2 LB. So we have to write in a proper manner. Means we have to write L into B, 2 L into B, next 2 B into H plus 2 L into H. Here we have to 2 2 is common for 3 areas, and we have to write outside of 2 what is remaining. L into B plus B into H plus L into H. L B B H H. So this is the total surface area of a cuboid. What is the formula of total surface area of a cuboid? 2 bracket of LB plus BH plus H. So therefore we have to prove the formula of total surface area of a cuboid. Therefore, what is the formula here? Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 bracket of LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula of total surface area. Okay? Thank you.